Hello my dear students, in this class we will discuss about last lesson from civics portion, that is the United Nation, and in this video we will discuss about the organs of UN and the specialized agencies of UN. Before starting the class we have to discuss about the important features of UN or the importance of UN. After the First World War, and already we discussed about the World War, the First World War caused many damage to human life, property, and worldwide, isn't it? And in 1919, an international organization called the League of Nations was established. And what is the purpose of that? What is the purpose of League of Nations? It established for maintaining world peace. That was the main aim for the League of Nations. And anyway, it failed to prevent the Second World War. Okay, and the Second World War, it caused greater damage than the First World War. Okay, and after this war, after the Second World War, the representative of 50 nations, including India, also met a conference in San Francisco, USA in 1945. Okay, and they organized or they or formed an organization. It's called United Nations. What was the aim of United Nations? For promoting peace and goodwill among nations. Okay, and here we will discuss about the objectives of UN. What is the main objective? To maintain peace and security in the world, and the established and maintain friendly relation among nations, and to promote respect for the rights of the individual and fundamental freedom for all, and to coordinate the collective of the member nation effectively for the attainment of common goals. These were the main objectives of UN. And what are the important organs of UN? General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, Secretariat. Okay, and first we will discuss about the General Assembly. And the General Assembly, it consists the representative of all the member state. Okay, and each member state can send up 5 representative. Okay, and next organ is Security Council. It perform the task of maintaining international peace, and the Security Council has 15 members. 5 members are permanent and 10 are not permanent. Okay, and next organ is the Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council fulfill the social and economic objective of UN, and the ECOSCO has 54 members. How many members are there? 54 members are there, and ECOSOC supervises the work of the specialized agencies. And next organ is Trusteeship Council. Okay, and the Trusteeship Council has established to help territories that were not totally self-governing. What is the purpose of Trusteeship Council? It made or it established for helping territories were not totally self-governing. Okay, and next one is International Court of Justice. It is situated in Netherlands. Okay, and it is the International Court of Justice, and it is the principal judicial organ of UN. And next organ is the Secretariat. The entire administrative work of UN is carried out by Secretariat, which has its headquarters in New York. And now we can see that the specialized agencies of UN. First we will discuss about UNICEF. Okay, UNICEF seeks to improve the quality of life children and mothers in less developed countries. Okay, United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF. It seeks to improve the quality of life of children and mothers in less developed countries. And the next one is UNESCO. UNESCO provide technical and financial help to its members for the promotion of educational, scientific and cultural activities. UNESCO provides technical and financial help to its members for the promotion of educational, scientific and cultural activities. And next one is World Health Organization. And it campaigns, WHO campaigns against diseases like malaria, plague, cholera, AIDS, etc., etc. It encourages medical research and has set up a network of laboratories to study the cause of diseases. And the next one is International Labour Organization. It also meant for to improve the relation between workers, employers and governments. And it became a specialized agency of UN in 1946. And next one is FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. It promote, FAO promote agricultural research. It also promote global exchange of knowledge about nutrition, food management, ways of fighting disease affecting farm animals, etc., etc. And next one is World Bank. Okay, and what is the function of World Bank? It provides advice and technical help for development projects and settles disputes between states and foreign investors. Okay, these are the important specialized agencies of UN. First one is UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, ILO, FAO, World Bank. And then first we discussed about the organs of UN. The UN has 6 organs: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic Council, Social Council and Trusteeship Council, the International Council of Justice and the Secretariat. Okay, all these organs have different functions. Okay, very simple lesson but very difficult to study. Again you read the lesson and objectives of UN, organs of UN and the agencies of UN. Please study, and if you have any doubt you can ask through the comments. Okay. Here I am including the question answers of lesson 4. All of you please write in your notebook.